Do not worry. We have a straightforward solution for you. Begin by searching for Chrome in your Windows search bar and opening the Google Chrome application. Once Chrome is open, locate the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window and click on them. From the drop-down menu that appears, select History and then select History again. This will take you to your browsing history page. On this page, find and click on the option to delete browsing data. Make sure to select the option to delete from device. After clearing your browsing data, click on those 3 vertical dots in the top right corner once more. Now navigate to Settings. Within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the About Chrome section. Click on About Chrome and allow the browser to update to the latest version if an update is available. Sometimes, a simple update can resolve these types of issues. If the problem persists even after updating Chrome, your next step is to reset your browser settings. Still in the Settings menu, look for an option related to resetting settings. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then confirm by clicking on Reset Settings. This process will restore Chrome's settings to their initial state, which often fixes persistent errors. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.